If you're an Amazon FBA seller, you already know that keyword research is one of the most critical aspects of running a successful business. In 2024, Helium 10 continues to be one of the top keyword research tools available for Amazon FBA sellers. But the question is it still the best choice for optimizing your listings and finding high traffic keywords? In today's video, we'll be breaking down everything you need to know about Helium 10 and whether it's the best tool for your Amazon FBA business in 2024. So let's get into this review. Helium 10 offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to help sellers at every stage, whether it's product research to listing optimization to marketing. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced Amazon seller, Helium 10 provides insights and resources that can help you make data-driven decisions and boost your success on the platform. In this review, we'll explore what makes Helium 10 one of the best keyword research tools for Amazon FBA in 2024. We'll also be covering how its key features work and how you can use them to optimize your listings and grow your business. Let's start with the key features of Helium 10. Helium 10's strength lies in its vast range of tools that address every aspect of Amazon selling, from product research to keyword tracking, inventory management, and PPC campaign optimization. The platform has just about everything you can think of when it comes to scaling your FBA business. The first of these is Black Box. One of the biggest challenges for Amazon sellers is identifying profitable products with low competition. Black Box, one of Helium 10's flagship tools, simplifies this process by allowing you to filter through millions of products on Amazon using a variety of parameters. For instance, if you're looking for a product in the sports and outdoors category, you can set specific filters such as the price range of $20 to $50, a sales volume of at least 500 units per month, and no more than 100 reviews. Black Box will then display all the products that fit that category, making it easy for you to find hidden gems. The tool's niche discovery feature is particularly valuable for new sellers who are looking to expand into untapped markets. With niche discovery, you can explore new product categories and uncover lucrative markets with high demand and low competition. This is especially important in 2024 as Amazon continues to grow more competitive and ultimately finds these opportunities that can be key to long-term success. The second tool is Cerebro. Cerebro is a reverse ASIN lookup competitor analysis tool. While Black Box helps you identify potential products, Cerebro basically allows you to take a deep dive into your competitors' listings. By using Cerebro's reverse ASIN lookup feature, you can input a competitor's ASIN and see exactly what keywords are driving traffic to their product. This data is invaluable because it shows you which keywords or competitors are ranking for, giving you a blueprint for optimizing your own listings. For example, if you're selling a portable blender, you can input the ASIN of a top seller in that category, and Cerebro will show you all the high traffic keywords that the product ranks for, such as mini blender, travel blender, or smoothie maker. Once you're armed with this information, you can craft a more compelling strategy by targeting these same keywords in your listing and PPC campaigns. You can even identify low competition keywords that your competitors may have overlooked, giving you a strategic edge in the marketplace. The next Helium tool is Magnet. While Cerebro is great for understanding what's working with your competitors, Magnet is the tool you can use to build your own comprehensive list of high-performing keywords. Magnet works by generating a list of related keywords based on a seed keyword that you provide. For example, if you're selling yoga mats, you can input the seed keyword yoga mat. Once you've input that keyword, Magnet will then return a list of related items such as yoga mat for beginners, non-slip yoga mat, or even eco-friendly yoga mat. The tool allows important metrics such as search volume, CPC, which is cost per click, and relevancy score, so you can prioritize which keywords are target in your listing and advertising campaigns. One of the common mistakes made among Amazon sellers is focusing only on high volume keywords. While it's important to target popular keywords, it's equally essential to consider long tail keywords. More specifically, it's less competitive phrases that are easier to rank for. These long tail keywords often convert better because they indicate a customer who knows exactly what they're looking for. Magnet excels at uncovering these long tail keywords, making it easy for you to target highly motivated buyers. The next tool is Frankenstein. After using Cerebro and Magnet to gather a list of relevant keywords, the next step is to organize and clean up your keyword list. This is where Frankenstein comes in. Frankenstein is a powerful keyword research processor that helps you remove duplicates, sort keywords by relevance, and eliminate any unnecessary words or phrases. For instance, if your keyword list includes several variations of the same phrase, such as best yoga mat or yoga mat best and yoga mats for yoga. Frankenstein will clean up the list by removing redundant keywords and, more importantly, arranging them in a more optimized format. This ensures that you're only using the most relevant and impactful keywords in your product listing. The importance of using Frankenstein lies in avoiding keyword stuffing, which is when you overload your listing with too many keywords. Amazon's A9 algorithm penalizes listings that engage in keyword stuffing, so it's critical to use only the most relevant terms. Frankenstein makes this process easier and ensures that your listings are optimized without being overstuffed. The next tool Helium 10 provides is Scribbles. After organizing your keywords with Frankenstein, the next step is to apply them to your product listing. Scribbles is Helium 10's tool that's designed for this exact purpose. Scribbles helps you create well-optimized product titles, bullet points, and descriptions by showing you where to place your keywords and how to distribute them effectively. The real-time feedback in Scribbles ensures that you're using all of your important keywords without exceeding Amazon's character limits. This helps prevent keyword overuse while ensuring that your listing is fully optimized for both Amazon's search engine and human readers. For example, you can create listings for a yoga mat. Scribbles will guide you through placing high priority keywords like unslip yoga mat in your title, while using secondary keywords like eco-friendly yoga mat in the bullet points or product description. This structured approach ensures that your listing is optimized for maximum visibility and conversion rates. The next tool is Market Tracker. The Amazon Marketplace is a dynamic world with trends changing frequently based on customer demand, seasonality, and competition. Market Tracker is a tool designed to help sellers monitor these changes by providing real-time updates on how your product is performing in the marketplace. With Market Tracker, you can keep an eye on important metrics such as market share, competitor pricing, customer feedback, and a host of other important metrics. This tool allows you to stay ahead of the competition by spotting trends early and adjusting your pricing. You can also adjust important things like inventory and obviously other strategies that are associated with this. The next tool you can use is profits and inventory management. Once your product listings are active and selling, managing your profit margins and inventory is critical to maintaining successful business. Helium 10's profit tool gives you a detailed breakdown of your revenue, expenses, and profit margins, helping you track the financial growth of your business. Profits allows you to see how much you're making per unit after deducting costs like Amazon fees, shipping, and advertising. This level of visibility is essential for optimizing your pricing strategy and identifying areas where you can cut costs to improve profitability. Additionally, Helium 10's inventory management tool helps you ensure that you're never running out of stock. The tool monitors your inventory levels in real time and sends you alerts when your stocks are running low. You can also reorder before it's too late. Running out of stock can be devastating for your Amazon ranking, so having the ability to control over your inventory is invaluable. Let's talk about some practical use cases for Helium 10. The first practical use you can use Helium 10 for is finding a new product niche. Let's imagine you're a new Amazon seller looking to break into the category outdoor gear. You don't have a specific category in mind yet, but you know you want to target something with high demand and low competition. Using Blackbox, you can input filters for price range, reviews, and even units sold. Blackbox will then return a list of potential products, especially ones that stand out, like a portable camping stove. This camping stove has fewer than 150 reviews and generates over $15,000 in monthly revenue. You can then use X-Ray to confirm the product's sales data and profitability to ensure that it's worth pursuing. One of the next practical use cases is optimizing a product listing for maximum visibility. By using Cerebro, we can find the top performing keywords for any camping stove that we can think of. We can do things like compact camping stove, portable propane stove, or use Magnet to generate additional long tail keywords in the process. And then finally, you can use Scribbles to craft a well-optimized product listing, placing high-priority keywords in your title and bullet points without using secondary keywords in the description. This ensures that your listing is both keyword optimized and readable for potential customers. Now that we've gone over everything that you need to know about Helium 10, let's show you how to get started for the cheapest price possible. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is head down to the link down in the description and click it. Once you click the link for Helium 10, you'll be brought to this page here. As you can see, you can sign up for completely free today by clicking the sign up button. Once we click the sign up button, it will then take us to this page where we can choose from our pricing plan and get started. They have a few different pricing plans that we can choose from. They have their diamond plan at $299, the platinum plan at $79, and the starter plan at $29. Keep in mind that each of these plans are billed annually, so we will be saving quite a bit of money by going with the annual option there. To be exact, we're saving about 25%. Once we decided which plan we want to go with, we'll then hit the Buy Now button, which will then take us to this page where we'll create a quick account by entering our name, our email address, and our password. Then we'll continue to our payment options, where we'll enter in our credit card details. And just like that, we're ready to get started with Helium 10. If you guys have any questions about Helium 10 or the tools that it provides, make sure to drop them in the comments down below. Also, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss any of our future videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please keep in mind that the links down in the description are probably affiliate links, and they do go towards supporting this channel. So thank you in advance for supporting us. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a future one.